Toyota unveils limited TRD Special Edition. Clamoring for more power from the Toyota 86 sports car is falling on deaf ears in Japan. For 2019, the automaker is keeping horsepower and torque unchanged and is instead offering a limited-run TRD Special Edition trim. Limited to 1,418 units, the 2019 Toyota 86 TRD Special Edition receives several upgrades that have nothing to do with power. Instead, the different performance parts improve the coupe's handling. SACHS dampers improve steering response while four-piston front and two-piston rear Brembo brakes provide enhanced stopping power. Michelin Pilot Sport 4 summer tires wrap around 18-inch alloy wheels. The TRD Special Edition comes in one color, Raven Black. A retro 80s style tricolor graphic swoops from the front fender down the side to above the door handle. It looks like something off the side of an Atari gaming console. A TRD body kit adds a new front bumper, side sills, rear bumper, spoiler, and diffuser that shows off the TRD stainless steel exhaust tips. Inside, the TRD Special Edition receives a new red and black trimmed steering wheel with red contrast stitching. The red and black theme continues to the sport bucket seats. Granwix, a suede-like material, adorns the top of the instrument cluster, again with red contrast stitching, which is a constant throughout the interior. The TRD logo is embroidered on the dashboard. Red seatbelts complete the look. While the TRD Special Edition receives a host of goodies, the same 2.0-liter flat-4 engine carries over, delivering 205 horsepower and 156 pound-feet of torque when paired with a manual transmission. Opting for the automatic drops power and torque by 5, respectively.